Using equations in SOLIDWORKS allows you to create a mathematical relation between dimensions by using the dimensions themselves as variables. In this exercise, we'll take a look at how to link the dimensions of a shell feature using equations. Let's begin by creating a base part. I'll begin with a simple circular sketch with a diameter of 10 inches. I'll extrude the circle 30 inches upward to make it into a cylinder. Using the shell feature, I'll add a thickness of 1 inch for the top face of the cylinder and a thickness of 2.5 inches for the bottom face in the multi-thickness settings. Instead of changing a dimension value every time in SOLIDWORKS, I can control the dimensions using an equation. There are several ways to add equations in SOLIDWORKS. One way is to right-click on the equation folder in the feature tree and select Add Equation. This will bring up the equation dialog box where I can add and edit equations. First, I'll create an equation for the diameter of the circle. To do this, I'll type d equals and select the diameter dimension in the sketch. Press OK and an equation is added in the equation box. Next, I'll add another equation, and this time I want the shell dimension to be 10% of the diameter of the circle. In the dialog box, I'll first select the shell dimension in the sketch and set it equal to 0.1 times d. Finally, I'll add one last equation, so the bottom shell dimension will be 25% of the diameter of the circle. Similar to the previous step, I will select bottom shell dimension in the sketch and set it equal to 0.25 times d. Now if I change the dimension of the diameter, the top and bottom shell dimension will change automatically according to the equation. Notice that if I try to change the thickness, SOLIDWORKS will not let me since this is not a specific dimension value. Instead, it will give the option to delete or edit the equation.